Welcome to Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your name on Google Meet. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. There is no way to change your name directly on Google Meet. However, it is possible to do it by going to your Google account and changing your Google account name. I will be showing you how to do this on the Google Meet app, but the steps to do it on PC are the same. Open up the Google Meet app and tap on your profile icon from the top right corner of the home page. Then tap on Google Account. In your Google account, tap on Personal Info. Then tap on Name where your current name is. Here you can change your first and last name. Tap Save when you are done. Your Google Meet name will now be changed. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more tips and tricks.